Hello friends, do you like animals? I love them. Today we are going to learn about aquatic animals. You know aquatic animals are those which live in water for most or for lifetime. Come and take dive with me. Yoo-hoo! What's there? You can see something? It's a dolphin! Dolphins are very intelligent. Oops, shark! It's a shark! Sharks are very dangerous animals. There's a gigantic saltwater over there. I'm sure I know what this is. It's a whale! Whales are enormous. I guess what's behind the stone? Come slowly. Let's see what's that. It's a clownfish. Oh, so beautiful. I love these types of fish. And they are so colorful. Let's dive deeper to learn more about sea creatures. That's too transparent. Ah, jellyfish. Jellyfish stings so bad. Do you know turtle? It's a turtle. Turtle live for so many years. Ouch! It's a crab. You know, crabs walk in all directions, but mostly walk and run in sideways. I can't see any more animals. I think it's time to go. Bye bye friends. Activity time. Identify the sea or aquatic animals. Match the following.